Greetings people on the internet. In this video we'll set up the game over and the restart for the game. So here on layers we must have another layer, and that layer is going to be called game over. Remember that on the game over text. Okay, so this is the game over text. On this version of Construct 2, which is the free version, we can only have 4 layers maximum. Okay, so let's insert a new object. That object is going to be a text object. Let's just insert it here somewhere. And so this text object is going to be called game over, and this is the text that actually will appear on screen. And well, you can play with the colors, pick a color. I'm just going to pick red, and don't forget to make it invisible, otherwise it will always be showing. Let me just resize this. Right. And now, actually, let me just put it somewhere there. And now let's insert another object, which is also going to be a text object. And I can just put its name right here if I want. So this is the press R object. And so there you go, it's already named. And now what I want to show on the text is press R to restart. Okay, so every time the game is over, I'm saying the player that he must press R to restart the game if he wants. Don't forget to make it invisible, just like we did with the game over. And let's put it smaller, a bit more smaller, like that. It's good. And I'm going to move it close to game over. It's too close, so I just move game over up a bit. And well, yeah, that's okay. Now let's go to the event sheet and add a new event. And this new event is will need the hero. And so what I'm looking for is this one. On destroyed, something will happen when the character is destroyed. Remember, we destroyed the character when his health comes to 0. So now the action I'm looking for is a text action, and that's setting text visible. And the text I want to set visible is the game over. And for press R, the same. So I want it to be visible as well. Set visible. There you go. Okay, visible. So on destroyed, that means when the character is destroyed, both these texts will be showing on screen. But I want something else, and that is a new action of wait. So I want to have waiting between both of them. That means they will not show at the same time. So first I will have game over and then press R to restart. Let's see if that is working. Game over. Now 2 seconds and press R to restart. Okay, good. So it's showing. So let's go back. And so I'm gonna add a new event for the keyboard because nothing is happened when you press R. So it's not restarting. And now on key released, this is the event I want. So I have to put here the key I want to release, to be released, and that is R. So when I release the R key at that moment, that specific moment, something will happen. And what will happen is okay, reset global variables. So that means I will have my variables going to their initial value, and now I will have something else, and that is I will restart the layout. So everything on the layout will be restarting. Okay, let's test this and see if it works. Okay, so game over. R to restart, and I just pressed R and see I have 4 lives again, and I can commit suicide again. R to restart, and I can do this forever. But I'm not going to do it forever, so just don't forget to save your work, and I'll see you in the next video.